Crypto is one of the most misunderstood topics in finance. Everywhere you look, there are bold claims, some true, some not so much. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest myths about cryptocurrency and setting the record straight with facts you can trust. Let's start. Myth number 1, crypto is only used for illegal activities. This is one of the oldest myths out there. While it's true that crypto has been used for illicit transactions, just like cash has, illegal use makes up only a tiny fraction of total crypto activity. In fact, blockchain technology makes every transaction traceable, which is why law enforcement has successfully tracked down criminals using crypto. So, rather than being a safe haven for crime, crypto is actually one of the most transparent payment systems we have. Myth number 2, crypto has no real-world use. This one couldn't be further from the truth. Crypto is being used right now to send remittances across borders in minutes, power decentralized finance apps, tokenize real-world assets, and even raise funds for global causes. And yes, people can actually cash out their crypto into local currency through exchanges, ATMs, and payment cards. So whether it's saving time, cutting fees, or making finance more inclusive, crypto is already shaping the way money moves around the world. Myth number 3, crypto isn't backed by anything. This one sounds convincing until you remember, most of today's money isn't backed by gold either. It's backed by trust in governments and central banks. Crypto works the same way, except it's backed by math, code, and a decentralized network of users who agree on its value. Bitcoin, for instance, has a fixed supply, only 21 million will ever exist, which is what gives it scarcity and value. So instead of being worthless, crypto is actually one of the most predictable monetary systems ever created. And lastly, myth number 4, crypto is bad for the environment. Yes, Bitcoin mining does use energy, but the story doesn't end there. Studies show that a growing percentage of crypto mining is powered by renewable energy, solar, wind, and even hydroelectric. Plus, newer blockchains use energy-efficient models like proof of stake, which consume 99% less energy than traditional mining. So instead of being an environmental villain, crypto is actually pushing innovation toward cleaner and greener energy sources. And there you have it. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to visit our website at www.coinmama.com.